The Pietermaritzburg High Court has upheld the nullification of the KZN ANC 2015 conference. This means that the ANC KZN PEC as a structure cannot participate in the national conference. For more on the story, we are now joined by SABC reporter Simphiwe Makhanya from the High Court. Simphiwe, good afternoon. Can you confirm the judgment?
Good afternoon to you, Nzinga, and good afternoon to the viewers at home. Well, certainly a very historic judgment coming from the Pietermaritzburg High Court earlier on today, about 5 minutes or so ago. The judge here confirming that indeed the order that was declared upon in September, stating that the current PEC structure is not constitutional because of the fact that the conference that was held in 2015 was declared null and void. That was the first judgment today. The second judgment, Nzinga, is pertaining to the fact that the current PEC applied for leave to appeal that judgment, which of course the court granted. The court today is saying that the current PEC can indeed go ahead and appeal this decision. But in appealing this decision at the Supreme Court of Appeal, the structure as it is now cannot attend tomorrow's national elective conference, because the judgment still stands that there are a structure that was elected unconstitutionally. The conference that elected them, in other words, was declared null and void.
Do we have a reaction yet from members of the ANC KZN PEC on this judgment that's just been handed down?
As you would appreciate that this has just happened now, we've been struggling to get both sides to actually have their reactions on this particular judgment. But I can tell you that it's going to be a huge blow for the current PEC, Nzinga, because remember, this conference is obviously the conference of the branches. But going to this conference, they were going to be leading those branches in terms of outlining what the mandate is from the provincial leadership. So now, if there is no provincial leadership, there's a vacuum. So that it means that it's not going to be a very easy thing to come tomorrow, because you know that the province of KwaZulu-Natal has already declared that it supports Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma to lead the ANC in tomorrow's conference that is to begin tomorrow. But also, Nzinga, just to paint you a picture that also the people who brought this application are seemingly in favor of the Deputy President, Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa, who today I'm sure that many of them are actually smiling as a result of this judgment today.
Simphiwe Makhanya coming to us live there from outside the Pietermaritzburg High Court. Thanks for your time. We will obviously be following that story, as SABC will be bringing you coverage of the conference that's starting tomorrow at Nasrec and looking at some of the ramifications of that with our analysts in studio.